The virtual Northeast Festival will aim at creating a market linkage for Northeastern product and will try to motivate youngsters of the region for entrepreneurship, sports and other activity. The focus of the festival will be growth agenda for Northeast post COVID-19. A new entity called NEF Ideation Conclave will have a series of
जो
discussion
हमारा
sessions.
सिक्किम का है ये गुन्द्रुक है, मेनली गुन्द्रुक आलू बनाया है, ये किनीमा है, जो थाली में ये नेपाली अचार है, दाल है, ये सब ऑर्गेनिक बनाया है हम लोग सब्जी। जो ये थाइपो है, ये वाला है टिंग मोमो, ये आलू का जो है स्क्वाश है, ये वाला स्क्वाश है, इसका है मेज राइस, इसका जो हमने ये भात बनाया है नेपाली भात।
Success stories of Northeast youth sessions will have prominent personalities of the region. Northeast Festival concludes with focus on making region tourism hub. The two-day Northeast Festival concludes after setting the Northeast growth agenda with discussion on the revival of travel and tourism industry post COVID-19 pandemic and showcasing manufacturing potential of the region.
Showcasing the cuisines of our community, which is Boro tribe. So today we have the river snails, which is cooked with black lentils, and here we have the onla dao. Onla means it's rice flour, and dao means the chicken, and it's pretty common in our community. And here we have the pomanaji, which is basically served on the funeral of someone. And here we have the another type of pork which has been cooked with a herb. It's just which is called as Kera Dafine, which can be found on the foothills of
फिश। ये हम लोग का ट्रेडिशनल का जो मतलब लोकल जो दाल होता है उसको हम लोग बॉईल करके मतलब राइस फ्लोर से बनाता है। तो ये बेम्बो सूट से पोर्क बनाया है, और ये है स्टीम राइस, स्टिकी राइस, एंड दिस इज़ द डिमोरो पट्टा एंड पोर्क, एंड दिस इज़ द fish, local fish, small fish, and dry fish, and this is the rice beer pitha. In ingredients is the many green herbs, chicken with rice flour, and banana flour with rice.
We are just picking up a special dishes from each and every tribe for them, and we are presenting it. And also we are bringing the ingredients, the raw ingredients which they use in their cuisines, like kolar beans, mizinga, nagadal, and all this. And they are presenting in the traditional, this handcrafted Naga bamboo cane. Okay. And second thing, this one is anishi. These are lomba flowers, the chives. These are the different things they are present. It's the kolar beans. Kolar beans it is grown exclusively in Nagaland. Okay, it is very high protein beans, and there are many varieties of it. And when it grows, the whole hills are covered with it. This is the mizinga. This is very close associate of the Sichuan peppercorn. Very aromatic one, very strong. This is the nagadal. This is the tree tomato that grows in northeast. This is, of course, we know the naga chili, wing beans. This is the smoked eel they use in different curries. These are the dishes they have presented: smoked chicken with ahone. This one kolar beans, dry fish chutney, chicken with bamboo shoot, smoked pork anishi, that boiled fish, smoked chicken. These are the things.
Bean and all. So actually I'm presenting here the Meghalayan cuisine. So as we know, we have 3 tribes in Meghalaya, that is Jaintia, Garo and Khashi. So I am later with which is contained of sticky rice and this salad of pork and the wakappa. Wakappa means it's made out of this chili and a pork. So this is the platter, and overall this is the rice flour chicken. This is the papaya chicken, which is all about is with boiled. There is no oil, a single oil is used, and this is the fermented and dry this one fish with roasted tomato. This is a chutney. So these are all the side dishes I'm presenting here, and that's all.
from Assam, what we are representing. We are bringing as many dishes as we can. Actually, this is only a fraction. Assamese cuisine is very vast. Okay, and I would love to show you. These are our pork skewers, a smoked fish. We make a chutney out of it. This is fried fish, puthi mas we call it. Okay, and this is a traditional dessert called payo, and kosu, that is colocasia stems what we make. The dal, small potatoes fried. This is kol posola. Kol posola means the tender stem of the banana which we get fried. These are different mashed thing. Aloo pitika, this one morisa pitika, kosu pitika, kordoi pitika. These are all mashed chutneys type of. Okay, this is the koldil chicken. That chicken cooked with the banana flour. This one lai gahori. That is pork with mustard greens. That is poita bhat. What I was talking of, that is the fermented rice. Okay, this is fish with otenga, that is a shore fish curry, that is masor tenga, what we call in Assamese. This one is a traditionally cooked mutton with papaya. Okay, and I would love to show this one. This is the traditional healing recipe, what I would mean to say. This is fish cooked with medicinal herbs like bhedailota, that is shankvine. Okay, this is the pork cooked with black sesame seeds, and this is one of our signature dishes without which our feasts are incomplete. This is that is duck curry preparation. Okay, these are the steamed fish. This is mati dal, black lentils. These are lentil fritters in the sour curry of Tekera, that is Garcinia. This one is khar, that a famous khar with which we start our meal. And this is our traditional tamul pan.
The second day of the festival started with a tourism B2B meet, where the tour operators of the region connected with all India tour operators and stakeholders and discussed way to promote tourism in the region, talking about developing the northeastern states as tourist destination. Tourism can help the region become an attraction to travelers. All northeastern states can be a great tourism destination. Focus on a tea tourism where old bungalows can get converted to boutique hotels. Experiencing and living the life of a tea planter here can be a tourist attraction. Chopper service, availability from Guwahati to Kaziranga, Majuli, etc. Tourism Director of Assam suggested that the tourism sector can benefit from the region's geographical locations surrounded by international borders. The Northeast region shares borders with different countries and it is an incredible boon. Assam is chicken neck with West Bengal and 5 international borders, which is the best for tourism. One more major focus is in medical tourism. We are blessed with resources.
Give me some time, let me learn some steps so I can dance in my tune. I'm doing fine.
For the revival of India's rich heritage and the sensitizing youth to the value of heritage, every year Northeast Festival hosts a 2-day mega festival that showcases arts, culture in its entire splendor. For you to enjoy and cherish, cameraman Mangalam with Sundhir Kumar, Northeastern Eco, Guwahati.